Hello everyone, frustrated with your YouTube server 400 error on the Android phone? Here's how to fix that. So don't worry, this error is kind of common. Let's fix it together. Let's first of all open up our settings, then locate your apps section. That's what we need. Great, now let's press see all apps. And we gotta find two apps. The first one is Google Play Services and the second one is YouTube itself. So let's start with Google Play Services. Here we are. Now tap on your Google Play Services and first of all, let's press force stop. Press OK. We need this to perform more of the cleaning process, and let's press storage and cache. First of all, press clear cache, and the second step, press clear storage. Now press clear all data. Confirm a choice by pressing confirm. And we've done the first step. Now let's go back to the main apps section and let's locate our YouTube. There we are. Now let's tap on it, and basically we need to perform the same set of things. So first of all, force stop, press OK. Now press storage and cache, press clear cache, and press clear storage, of course. Confirm a choice by pressing delete, and basically we should be good. Also, after that, I recommend you to perform a restart. So hold your power button and volume up or volume down button, it depends on your phone model. And in this menu, press restart. Now let's open up YouTube and check whether it's working. Allow, and basically it's working. The YouTube is working. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.